Hey, what's up everyone? Before you spend a single rupee on web hosting, watch this video till the end because I'm about to show you how to get an extra 20% off on Hostinger that most people completely miss. I've been hosting websites on Hostinger for over 8 years now. I've tested their shared hosting, VPS, cloud plans, everything. And in all that time, I've figured out the smartest way to get the maximum discount possible. Here's what you need to know. Hostinger gives you two ways to save money. Option 1, a coupon code gives you up to 10% off. That's okay, but it's not the best deal. Option 2, a referral code gives you a full 20% extra on top of whatever sale is already running. That's double the savings. So clearly the referral route wins every time. Now here's how to use it. I have dropped the referral link in the description and pinned comment organized by country, so you land on Hostinger's site in your local language and currency. Click your country's link and you will go straight to Hostinger's official website. Once you're there, head to the navigation bar and click on products or services. You'll see all their plans: shared hosting, business email, website builder, and VPS. For this demo, I'm going with Hostinger VPS. On the VPS page, you'll find four powerful machines: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'm selecting KVM2 for this walkthrough. Add it to your cart and go to checkout. You'll see the extra 20% discount automatically applied. One important tip: always sign up with a fresh email address that has never been registered on Hostinger before. That's how you make sure the referral discount activates correctly. That's it. Simple, fast, maximum savings. If this helped you, drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger coupon code updates.